she's still giving, I know how to do a little brow and a little lash, you know.
Can I tell you something for what it's worth? When you have this place on earth, take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. When you have this place on earth, take you there, I'll take you there.
Hey guys, it's your girl Team Janae, your favorite MUA, and today we are going to be doing a my everyday makeup video type of look. Now, your girl doesn't wear makeup every day. We don't do that around these parts. However, if I were to wear makeup every day, this is the look that I guess I would do, give or take. There's probably going to be multiple videos of this, like my everyday makeup, because I have different techniques based on the amount of time that I have. If I only got 30 minutes, your girl's giving a 30-minute glam. But if I got an hour and a half, then we're giving an hour and a half glam. So today's probably gonna be, I'm probably gonna take my time, so we will see. But yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so I already did my skincare routine and moisturized my face with Pond's moisturizer. Yes, I already have one eyebrow done because I'm recording simultaneously. We got to get the content in, sis. It's definitely a brow tutorial, so go watch it. Don't know if it's gonna be posted before or after this video, but either way, you need to go watch it. Let me stop. I'm not aggressive, guys, I promise. So we're gonna be using our e.l.f. Power Grip Primer to prime today. I'm just gonna be squirting it on my fingers, girl. Y'all, I bought this NARS concealer. I mean, not concealer. Ooh, I caught it too. I bought this NARS foundation, but y'all do that because y'all definitely watched my NARS makeup review. I know you did. And if you didn't, you should go watch it and like it. Anyways, but I don't know if it's gonna match your girl because I recorded that before I went to Spain and now I'm a whole 3 shades darker. So I don't know if it's gonna work, but let's find out. It could work. It's a little light. Let me see about maybe, I mean, what's her name? Fenty. Fenty is, I don't know. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. I think that's what it's called. Soft matte foundation, couple shades of that. Bloop, bloop, couple shades, couple dots, squirts. And then I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 340 because again, I have a serious tan. Okay, that's better. So I don't want to take a lot of foundation because again, this is my like supposed everyday look, you know, and on an everyday basis, I'm not trying to wear extra heavy makeup. So I no longer have a viewfinder, so let's just hope this video goes well. I gotta do this shit again. Fooling around with these gosh darn apps. I'm just blending. This is blending pretty good. Okay. Okay, all done with that. So for concealer, I like to use the e.l.f. What is it? Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is the shade Deep Caramel. This is the shade that best resonates with my skin tone, especially when I'm not tan. And I just want to do a little bit. Like, I don't want to go hard in the paint. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Just putting a dot or two here and there, you know, the usual. Actually, I'll do a little bit more. I am a tad extra, just a tad. Okay. And then I'm taking my NARS. Why do I keep forgetting the names of these? What is this? The Natural Radiant Concealer. This is the shade Sucre de Ogre. And I'm taking that in the middle and in the corner. Middle. and in the corner and down the bridge of my nose. Like so, like that. For contour slash bronzer, I'm using the Black Opal. Was this the right shade? Okay, yeah, it is. I'm using the Black Opal foundation stick. Sorry guys, I'm kind of disoriented. I don't want to take that Makeup Forever Mr. Fix, so I'm gonna do Revolution Hydrate FX. First, I want to buff out my bronzer first. Brush or tap in upwards, not downwards, upwards. And I'm using the same foundation brush. Now I'm blending out my concealer, starting with my chin. You want the concealer under your eyes to sit a little bit more, especially if you want fuller coverage. If you don't want fuller coverage, you should go ahead and blend it out as soon as possible. But I like a full coverage beat, so I'm letting it soak in a little bit. And I'm going to my forehead. If you're asking why I still only have one eyebrow done, I'm trying to show y'all how to do an eyebrow after you do your face as well as before you do your face. So again, if you want to see that, let me stop plugging myself. Y'all probably like, girl, we get it. Okay, damn. Just saying. And then to contour my nose, I'm going back in with the Black Opal shade, and I'm taking this blending brush and I'm just gonna create myself a little snatched nose. Before I set, I'm going to again go back, blend out those creases. To set my face, I'm going in with the AC Cosmetics setting powder. Before I set my forehead, I'm gonna do my other eyebrow off camera, and I'm gonna come back and my forehead should be set, and then we can move on from there. Okay, I'm kind of pressed because a part of my video did not record, so y'all are probably like, what happened? Well, let me explain. So I finished this eyebrow. As you can see, I set my forehead. Then I I bronzed my face with the True Complexions palette by Black Radiance, using this shade right here with this brush, like so. Okay, you got it? Understand? Then after that, I did my blush with the Black Radiance Blush Duo palette. This is volume 2 with, where is that brush at? This brush, like this. And I talked about how I used to hate blush back in the day, but my dance teacher forced us to wear blush for our performance, and then I actually kind of liked it after that, so here we are today. Then after that, I went and used my Wet n Wild highlighting powder. I was saying that this is very pigmented. All I use is the top, whatever is in the top, because this is what it looks like. And I've had this for like 5 years. It lasts long. It's like $5. I highly suggest you go get you some, because look at the highlight. Nice and subtle and pretty, but very cute and very affordable. Then I told y'all, what did I say after that? Oh, I brushed off my bake. I don't know if y'all saw that I baked, but I did. And then I brushed it off, highlighted my nose and everything. Then I went ahead and got my lashes. These are the lashes that I was going to be using from Amazon, and I was telling you that these are my favorite lashes to use, especially on my clients, because one, a pack of 10 is like $7-8, and you'll see why. They just look really pretty and natural and cute. Then I was about to do my what's this called, mascara, when I realized I wasn't even freaking recording because I ran out of storage. So after clearing up some storage, here we are, we're back at it. I'm about to put my glue back on my lashes because it dried up and I had to put more. And I was telling y'all how I use hair glue. I don't use hair glue on my clients, so don't freak out. Still book me, please. Thank you. And yeah, how you guys doing? Did I want to do eyeliner today? No, I don't. But some days I decide to do eyeliner, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I decide to do black eyeliner, sometimes I decide to do white. Today it's not giving any eyeliner because I like how it looks right now. And again, I'm not going anywhere. But I will put some mascara on my bottom lashes. This is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Let me show you guys. It's very great. 10 out of 10, recommend. Very affordable. You can get it from Ulta. It makes your lashes, especially the bottom ones, look voluptuous, girl. Like, I know you see that. Say hey, Sigma. I know you want me to play with you, but I'm recording right now, pumpkin. So, oh, now that y'all see why I love these lashes, like, look at them. They're so cute and pretty, and just like they're not too long, they're not too thick. Like, I love these lashes. For my lips, first I like to clean off that excess foundation and concealer and all that using a flat Q-tip and some makeup remover. Then I'm going in with my LA Girl, let me hold this the right way, my LA Girl Ultimate Cat Eye pencil in the shade Lasting Brown, my fave. I'm using the Ruby Kisses, what is it, Forever Matte lipstick. This is the shade Dune. Cutie patootie. Then I'm gonna go on top with a clear lip gloss. And then to brighten up the inner portion of my lips, I'm gonna use this, I have no idea what this is called. I think this is LA Colors. This is shade Baby Cakes. I know for a fact it's LA Colors. Again, the beauty supply store. I love these lip glosses, they're really nice. And I'm just gonna put that in the middle. Time to set, girl. I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This is the only one I'm gonna use today since I'm not going nowhere. This don't need to stay on for long because it's coming off in like a couple hours. So here we go. And pat it in, girl. Let it soak. Let it soak into the skin. Okay, guys, this is the final look. I feel like a baddie. I wish my hair did not fall because the curls would have been cute, girl. But this is the look. This is my everyday makeup look. She's cute. I didn't do too much. It didn't take too long. But yeah, she's still giving like a bad bitch, you know, like she's still giving, I know how to do a little brown little lash, you know. Please go follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok so you can see all the other looks and all the other videos I do. I'm also a fashion girly, so go onto my Instagram, see all the fits I be wearing, and yeah, share this video. Again, like it, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Don't think I forgot, because I did. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, Girl Scouts.
I'm in a talking with no Instagram, I'm watching TV. I think I trade my breakfast, lunch, and dinner for some kitty. Please believe me, I see Riri, I'ma eat it like panini. I go dumb up in the bar, hit the walls like graffiti. Indian birds all up on a nigga wee wee. I think I need a for something.